Electing for a long shot to the 2, yan na nga. Delikado pa yan pag nilagyan mo ng konting spin.
Oo. No issues. It's a very nice rack. Ganyan na naman tayo. Okay.
And the Sharks Arena has become a library here, Noel.
Oo.
Biglang tumahimik ang aksyon dito.
Dumalaw pa dito si Denmark eh.
Wando Chloe Refulia finishing this rack.
Para tayo nasa World Championship bigla. Tahimik. Pati tayo tumatahimik tuloy. Gian Drasier Mauricio is hoping that Refulia makes a mistake. But the way this rack is going, lalamang na naman ang Manila MSW Mavericks. Halfway to the goal.